channel. Yes. As you can see, there's my twin at the
Hey
back
guys,
over
remember when you
there.
guys got the kids, you guys have to watch the kids.
She came over to visit.
see.
And then there's my other cousin and her husband. And then hold up one second.
My hair looks ugly. I'm putting
You want me to show you how YouTubers be?
Oh, and then my husband is driving. And then that's my other and then there is my other brother-in-law.
I think I know why you guys don't get
So-
killed because
They came over to visit me and get to see my daughter for the first time. And right now we are currently heading to the mountains.
Damn, this is beautiful, man.
We are currently heading to the mountains.
The fact that there's, I feel
Yeah.
like it's big downtown.
wow, I feel like I'm back in the airplane.
Yeah, y'all gonna see the view. I'm gonna be showing you guys around and so you guys can see the view. Just a sec.
Look at those mountains, bro.
Bro, that's where we came from.
Yes.
And we're still going up.
Man, ain't this beautiful, bro? We're not even halfway.
It is.
Look at the mountains. Look at the mountains. Look at that. Oh, and that handsome person in the mirror, that's my husband.
That's my papi.
That's my husband. Oh my god, oh my gosh. We really just heading up at the mountains. I'm gonna be showing you guys around. So you guys can see what we're doing.
She sounds like Michael Jackson.
Oh yeah. You know that nigga.
Like, bro, how the hell do you know all this shit, bro?
Give me my mascara. Okay, you want this foundation too?
Better keep you.
That nigga knows.
But better keep you. Better keep you. Wow. What you want from me? What you want from me? I'm in something's gonna bomb me.
Why would I play music, man?
What you want from me?
Because we gotta focus.
Arizona, Tucson. What you want me?
Why you want me? I'm in San Francisco, mommy.
Baby.
Want me. I'm in the presence of my daddy. What you want me? No, see that's what happened when they try to turn.
Wow, these people doing
into a
hiking?
gospel song.
I had a zoom.
We do that once in a while.
Oh,
So when my wife was breaking and we went for hiking.
I did 6 miles.
You guys want to know something? I gotta come to the video.
Just let me make sure I'm your model.
I feel like you said a whole movie here.
I would have known how good this shit was.
Urabona iyo misozi sha iyo ni misozi yo muri Arizona.
You know what I would have done? I would have had one of y'all niggas hold the camera. I would have shot some clips, went back, shot some other clips, edited that together. That's another video.
Is anybody else trying to get car sick?
Car
Just
sick?
you.
Who gets car? What is car sick? Like you been in a car too long?
She's probably busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause don't look outside too much.
What you want from me?
Mediacom. What's your YouTube channel?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It's
It's called
Mediacom.
Lebanto.
Mediacom.
Official
Tell
Lebanto.
my people to subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Oh, hey guys, go subscribe to my channel. It's at Lebanto. Lebanto. For those who can't spell, for those that didn't pass. For those who can't spell.
Oh my goodness. Really?
What you want from me? What you want from me? I'm inside Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You got a
Remember we
camping?
came to spend the night over here?
Yeah.
It's like your house, cabins on the way to the top.
Yeah, we went there and we spent like 3 days. Was it 3 days? Yeah.
Eating what?
Eh?
What did you guys eat?
We took food. The cabin we rented had a kitchen. It had everything. It was basically kind of like a house, but at the top of the mountain. They even have stores at the top of the mountain. They have their own little community going on over there.
Damn, they really. You see when I met, they carve out his mouth.
Yeah. Never swear.
Y'all come so I swear.
Hi, handsome.
See, I'm trying to tell me all this shit is a result of the Big Bang, man. There's gotta be somebody who does that. Oh my
Guys, look
You
at
know
this.
who knows a lot about makeup? Will.
Yeah, Will, man. I had a question.
As you guys can see, we are still traveling, going up the mountains. Listen, the sun. Oh, the sun is just. The sun is just. Oh, try to.
You see why people,
It's hitting.
people,
It's
back,
hitting.
people over here don't
It's
gotta deal
hitting.
with the cold. They got nice views.
Yes,
nice
we
music
do.
video
That we
places.
do. That we do. That we
Lord,
do.
goddamn mercy.
That we do. The only
I feel like if God got rid of the cold,
thing, it be too much what?
Baby girl.
No, like, no, I remember.
They didn't put any black people in there.
Yeah, in the movie, in the movie, Jesus.
There is one black person in that movie. That one guy that helps him carry the cross is black.
Yeah.
That was the only black
Like,
guy.
has any
Actually, most of those people were black.
All of them were in real life.
All of them were black.
did any of you guys go to see the movie back in Africa? Like, did you guys go see it?
That movie?
Yeah,
Nah,
the movie of Jesus back in Africa. Oh my goodness, I went. My auntie took me. You know Auntie Jocelyn? Auntie Jocelyn was the one that took me. Oh my God, everybody was crying in that movie. In that movie theater, everybody was crying. Everybody was like, they was crying. Go yes, yes, oh my God. Listen, the way it was crying in that movie theater, I was a kid, okay? I was a kid. I'm just like, dang, what's going on? Why they, like, you know, like, I was confused why my aunt was crying. I mean, I knew she was like, yes, Sue. Yes, Sue.
I have a question, Question: has there ever been a rock that fell on a car?
No.
Oh my, is this the type of question for you to ask when we were driving in the rock? Oh God.
I mean, it's a rock, so it could happen.
These rocks are set in stone. It will have to be like an earthquake.
Babe, you trust nature too much. I don't trust anything.
See, that's your problem.
It could
Oh
happen.
God.
Anything is possible.
No, I think even within
It could happen.
I think
So I
with
wouldn't put it past them.
I also think within our African church we need to go ahead and like remove some of those photos that we have,
Oh yeah.
the portraits that we have of Jesus, because why we got a whole white man?
You still recording your
I'm recording this because it's like
Niggas are like, how the hell did we go from mountains to that?
no, that's a different section. I'm cutting, so I'm gonna add them together. Like I'm not recording a whole long video. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Guys, we are still driving. We're not even at the top of the mountain. Not yet. Like, we are still no. Wait a minute.
What was the guy
We are
that
still
came?
driving.
What was that guy
I'm
that
gonna
came
stop
up?
the
What
clip
was the guy
right
that came
here.
up?
I'm gonna stop the clip right here. I'm going to start recording again once we get
Hold on, I got
guys, we finally have arrived. I'm gonna take you guys around. It's in the bag.
Just like it happened.
Wasn't it put back in the bag? There's still more, like at the Captain's, the place where we went to spend like 3 nights and stuff. It's, oh my, they even have like stores over there. He gonna wake up. Princey. Papa. Hi, Papa. But it's not really like in Bejo. It's more like. Oh, chale.
Just shitty one jaggy.
He's over. Hey guys, we are finally here. Welcome back to my channel. Like I told you, we're out at the mountains. Let me turn around so you can see. We're at the mountains. When I say we, it is me, my cousins, my husband, their husband, their kids. Yeah, so we are at the mountains. And clap yourself. Yeah. Now I'm crazy, y'all. Don't listen to me. Anyways, we came to the mountains to look around and do videos and stuff. We are gonna be taking photos. That's my brother-in-law and that's my little nephew. As you can see, he resembles me. Nothing like him, more like me. You see? Oh, he's just breaking out. Hi, baby. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Oh God, you like your Papa. Anyways, we are just gonna go around. I'm probably gonna give you guys a little bit of the background once we started setting up for the video and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Babe, come say hi. Babe, come say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. And he is my baby, my handsome husband, and there is baby Ania. This is my little baby. Baby, say hi. Hi, welcome to YouTube channel. This is my little girl. Now I am gonna be taking you guys around so you guys can see. So you guys can see what we're doing, the setting, the background, and everything. And then Bahati, where you at? Ooh, child. Baby girl. Ah, baby girl. Oh shit. The light is bad on the other side.
Katie, it's gonna have to be opposite of the sun.
This way.
If I take it to sun.
Someone is gonna have to hold the light.
That's what I told him too, yeah. I was like, somebody's gonna have to hold it.
It's a little windy. Let me go ahead and give you a little snippet of what we're going to be looking at. There is that. Isn't it beautiful? Look how pretty the mountains are. Look at all this clouds. Look at everybody here to see the mountains. Look how pretty it is. So pretty and nice. Pretty and nice. Look at the view. Look at the beautiful view. Like, look at the view. Look at the beautiful views. Like, look at that. Like, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Like, do you guys see this? And then you guys ask me if I miss Iowa. Who are those people that have been asking me if I missed Iowa? Because I'm looking at it and I'm like, bro, who is who that's asking me if I missed Iowa? Because definitely I don't miss Iowa. I don't miss Iowa. Look at the view. Look at the view. Ooh, child of Jesus. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look. And you telling me that I would trade this to go back to Iowa? That's a definitely no. Okay, that's a no. So my mom's gonna have to get used to me not being there because that's it. This is me walking around. So we climbing, as you can see. Look at all this view. Look at all this beautiful view. Y'all see the skin growth, y'all? Like, look at all this view. Like, look at this. Look. Look at the sun. Look at the beauty around me. Look at the beauty surrounding me. And you're telling me what? Listen, anybody that needs I feel like everybody needs to come and visit Arizona, Tucson, and take the time to, go up the mountains and appreciate the beauty, the wonders of, God's creation. Yeah. Oh my God. Look at this. Ooh. Oh. Oh, uh-huh. Oh my goodness. What are you making? What are you making? That is not how you.
Glorious, say something.
Hey guys. Hi. Let them know how is your experience going up the mountain. She's dying.
I was scared, guys, but
Oh
it
my
is what it
goodness. Honestly, I feel better that I did not get to record that because baby girl was crying. Okay. See, but the thing is, we can't blame her because the first time I did this too, I was crying. So
Oh, you was crying when you came up here?
yeah.
imagine hazana maguru basanga ndiko ndapfa.
I'm not gonna be get up.
There's people that come here on a bike.
Ndiye basanga ndiko kamba kamba.
Baraza n'amabasikeli, hari abantu banyonga amabasikeli ugasanga barimo baraje ngaha and then you're like wow.
This is where I keep a shot that video.